Hey everybody, Kevin Draco, Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, continuing our real truth and best time to buy appliances during the holidays. Guess what? It's the day. It is starting tomorrow. Now is the time to buy for 4th of July. As you know, the manufacturers, look, they've trained everybody. Buy at the holidays. We're going to give you the biggest discounts at the holidays. They pass that on to the retailer. The retailer passes the pricing on to you. This is going to go on through July 11th. So you have a few weeks. However, now is the time to buy because after July 11th, the next really big deal is Memorial Day, and you'll have some time to wait. By the way, that doesn't mean there won't be good deals on some items here or there, but the truth is right now, everything is going to be a good buy, okay? So now is the time to get there. Get out, get your appliances, buy the whole package, and save a lot of money. Let me give you an example. At Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, this refrigerator right here, this LG French door, when you buy the microwave, the range, and the dishwasher, you're going to get this refrigerator absolutely free. As well, mark this down, there's an LG front loader, not steam, WM3080CW. You're going to be able to get that for $549. That's a front loading LG washer and dryer, $549 each. You can get that at Lowe's and Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. If you're looking for a steam washer and dryer, I did find a pretty good buy at both Home Depot and Lowe's. It's a GFW450SSMWW, and that's $648. Also a really good buy. If you guys find this information helpful, and hopefully you do, these are just some of the great buys and shooting straight with you as far as the best time to buy appliances. So that starts tomorrow on July 20th and goes, June 20th. I'm all excited about this deal. June 20th through July 11th. And if you like this information, you find this helpful, please click on the subscribe button below and make sure you're in tune with when is the best time to buy appliances. Thank you much.